Welcome to our one and only virtual reunion weekend. I'm Dee Raubenstine, class of 1980 and president of the Society of Alumni. Thank you for joining us tonight at our Virtual Plaza Palooza. While we can't be on campus to continue our new tradition of spring reunions, we can be together virtually to celebrate each other, raise a glass to our alma mater, listen to favorite songs from our time on campus, and just share memories of Randolph-Macon. I know we all can't wait to be back on campus again, and we will be soon. But first, tonight, a review of our schedule of events and some housekeeping notes, and then we'll hear from President Lindgren, followed by learning how to make the official cocktail and mocktail of reunion weekend, the Lemon and Black Stinger. Hopefully you all have vodka, lemons, jalapenos, blackberries, simple syrup, and Sprite ready. You're in for a delicious treat. Afterwards, classes celebrating milestone reunions will be sent by alumni staff into your reunion Zoom rooms to catch up with everyone. Please note, you'll need to press the accept button to be sent to the breakout room named for your class year. This may take a few minutes. If you need help, type a message in the chat and someone will assist you as they can. Members of your class reunion committees will be there leading a conversation. Please turn on your video and use the chat function to mingle with your classmates. You may also unmute and share stories. Right now, we're in the main room of the Virtual Plaza. While the class breakout rooms are active, music will continue here with selections by our guest DJs. If you want to join the main room at any time, click the red button at the bottom of your screen and press Join Main Room. If you accidentally leave the event, no worries. Just use the original link to join back into the fun. We'll all come back together into the main room at 7:50 to watch or participate in our Randolph-Macon trivia contest, complete with prizes for the winners from the campus store. Show off your knowledge of all things RMC, create a team, or play as an individual. You'll be given instructions before the game starts. And if you need technical assistance at any time, RMC's IT department can help. Please chat us, starting with IT help in your message. They'll assist you as they are able. And feel free to give a shout out in the chat and use this feature to say hello to your friends. Our evening ends at 8:30 when we'll all unmute ourselves and join in singing the alma mater, led by some of our 50th reunion Glee Club members and other members of the Boynton Society. We're so excited to have you here for this virtual event. Have fun and welcome back. And now, President Lindgren.
Welcome home, Yellow Jackets. I'm Bob Lindgren, and I'm just so delighted to see that so many of you have joined us for your every 5-year reunion weekend, which is now happening in the spring rather than at homecoming. I certainly recognize many wonderfully familiar names on the sign-up list for our milestone reunion years. Those from classes with years ending in 1 and 6 for this year, and also 0 and 5, as we are holding our 2020 reunions this weekend as well. I recognize many names from the Boynton Society alumni too, as you're having your annual gathering now also. During this weekend, I hope you will enjoy the chance to reconnect, revisit, rewrite, regroup, and otherwise reinvigorate your relationships with RMC and other alumni. While we would prefer to meet in person, let's hope that this is the only virtual reunion we ever have to do at RMC. Indeed, we are very much looking forward to a return to in-person, on-campus activities this fall for our students and for our alumni alike, which means mark your calendars for a fantastic Yellow Jacket Homecoming 2021 on October 8 and 9. And let me also mention how deeply grateful all of us at RMC, students, staff, and faculty alike, how deeply grateful we all are, for the tremendous financial support you, our esteemed alumni, have provided throughout the pandemic. Your generous support has been more meaningful than ever. And our alumni, even from afar, have made significant impacts here in other important ways as well. Prospective students who were unable to visit the campus in person relied on vivid descriptions of the campus and academic life provided by our alumni in helping them make their college decisions. While our 2020 and 2021 graduates whose commencements just took place in late May have shared how helpful alumni are being right now in helping them to potential job opportunities. Thank you, alumni, for continuing to give back so generously and graciously to Randolph-Macon and to our students. You certainly carry the hopes and dreams of our current students on your shoulders as well. So it is my sincere hope that you experience at least a taste of campus this weekend, though we absolutely cannot wait to have you back in person in June 2022. And if you haven't been on campus recently, some surprises await you. And despite our physical changes, one thing remains constant: the tremendous spirit of the Yellow Jacket family. Again, enjoy yourselves virtually, and until we meet again, please take care.
Wilkinson, class of '91, and I'm glad to be your chairman of the Reunion and Homecoming Committee for the Society of Alumni Board of Directors. Today I have with me two gentlemen who are going to show us how to make the official drink for reunion weekend, the Lemon Black Stinger. I'm pleased to introduce Chris Bazemore, class of '87, and Mr. Jim Brooker, also class of '87. Well, gentlemen, take it away. The bar is yours.
Thank you, Miss Linda. Hand for Miss Linda first of all. All right, whoop! All right, reunion weekend will be a great weekend. I hope you guys have a great weekend. They've asked us just to show you guys how to make the lemon and black stinger, so that's what we're going to do. I am doing the mocktail for those that want to go that way, and Mr. Brooker is going to do the real cocktail.
The loaded version.
I'm going to let him roll with it, and I'll walk through, and you guys enjoy.
So we're going to start out with a little shaker cup. We're going to start out with one freshly squeezed lemon. We're going to add 1 ounce of simple syrup. We're going to take a handful of blackberries here.
Nice.
We're going to take a couple of these jalapeno peppers, which should spice things up just a little bit.
More if you want more. Won't hurt you.
Now, if you're from Hampton, Sydney, you probably can't do the jalapeno peppers, so that's understandable. The most important ingredient, vodka. Then one last thing we're going to add is a little splash of Sprite on top of this. We'll take our mixers. Try not to shake it all over ourselves.
Pour it in a good cup.
That's right. Garnish with the little lemon.
Help you with some, Mr. Brooker. Come on, help me out a little bit.
There you go.
Lemon and black stinger.
Here's the reunion.
Happy reunion. Go Jackets!
Go Jackets!
Woo! Cheers. Lemon and Black's gonna be in back. Get it, bring it back.